Hi, I'm Benoit from North Switzerland, and what we want to do is to rebuild one of these assets uh, for TiXL in TiXL today of this CV scenes with 7 elements that you've seen here. They comes everyone from TiXL itself. I can show you this for short. Uh, Here we have that elements all in this column 14. The background here, such a star, an Earth, another star, and space station, perhaps what we want to do now, spaceship, and 2 logos. Okay, this is what we want to do today. And I can show you this for once before we trouble us direct now to TiXL. Here we are, and now I must search this space station element. This is a little bit big and a little bit complex thing. What I have done, I must look out where we find it. No, it's in the section, in the last section anyway. So no. Here. Okay. Here we have this element. And you see here one of the element and all this stuff what we need. I hope so you have downloaded this folder, free assets from my Google Drive, and there you can find this elements and the folder free assets or these folders. You can place that in your resource folder of your project, and you must just build one project for all of these assets what I have shown you here in these different tutorials. Otherwise, if you build for each one a separate project, then you have the problem that you don't can get out the spouts together, and you can doesn't use every all together in arena after. So okay, you find the textures in here. What we need for that is this one, I believe so. Maybe this one, I believe, I don't know. These two. And of course, what we need is the objects from Blender. What I have built it there, and this is that all of that. 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of objects. You see, some are very big, and but TiXL do that for us. They handle that for us. So we start. It's a very long project. I must always look what we need all. That first what we need is this one, and to do that is toggle the top on your keyboard and type in load and Then you select load object. Then you got this node. I speak always about nodes, not operator, like in the TiXL documentary and stuff like that from TiXL. I speak about nodes. For me, they are nodes. And this is a node system, what we have here by TiXL. Okay. I delete that because you have this here. And now you must toggle here, and then it opens your directory selector, and then you must switch to the place where you have that file from me, what it called displacement torus 04, this file name. You must select here, and then you must put in out the line here on the end of this node and select the draw mesh, but I was doing this before. So we got this result here in the meantime, and now you must texturing that a little bit. I show you the absolutely easiest way, and I use the same texture here as I was used to make the displacement or the bitmap valuation in Blender. But anyway, do what I do here. To set the material, I see I'm on the wrong place. So no, I'm not in the wrong place, but we don't need the set material here. Just what we need is that one, and from that you see goes the line direct down and goes to this transform mesh. That is the next what you have to do, not the draw mesh from this load object where you selected the displacement torus 04 object. Go down and build a transfer mesh. So like that. Type in transfer mesh here like that, and put this down here somewhere, but I have done this here before. So next what you must do is, I use this for rotation, but the bullshit is we can see this just in a later time, so I show you in the time between, but we don't need this after really this draw mesh. But I want to show you what you have to do with this transform mesh and why you have to do that.